The 2001 Toyota Tacoma. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes rear-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. An AM/FM stereo, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.